So, today, like I said, is going to be an awesome vlog. Because today, I got my drone in here. It's the only thing in here. I don't even know why I've been carrying it. But anyway, oh crap, I forgot something. Do I have time? Let's see. I forgot. I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. The blade protectors. Yes, kind of need that just in case. Just in case it's, you know, just in case it hits something. I don't want the blades to get ruined any more than they already are. Oh no! That'd be a good thumbnail. But anyway, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna go outside and wait. He's not here yet. Anyway, going outside. Bye. Going outside. And I know I've said that a few times already, but I'm gonna go and I'm going to wait for Randy. Yeah, he should be here. He said he'd be here at 2. It's after 2. Alright. So, time to go outside. And wait.
Hello. Okay, you have to tell me where to go here because I have forgotten how to.
Straight.
Okay, you got it.
Do you think you can go straight?
Hell no.
That was unexpected.
Oh, hell no.
Really?
I'm just kidding. I get a crush on 4 freaking different women. Holy
Name them.
Shit.
No.
Oh shit! No! As soon as you said, I'm like, oh, okay, oh shit! No! Don't do that! Not on camera.
Some of them might be watching.
Exactly.
Oh. Well, it'll probably take me all day to list the ones that I like.
Now the celebrity ones I like.
That's a different story. Okay, so we are going to a castle. It's outside of the city. Last time I was there, I was 14 years old. So that was about maybe 10 years ago. And
what? That's funny. No, 38 years ago.
38?
I keep. You're not.
I am not 44.
42.
I'm 42.
I keep thinking you're 44. I don't know.
Hence the 76 in my channel name.
Okay.
76? Because I was born in 76.
This guy's 12 years older.
So,
okay.
Yeah, he's 12 years older than me, so that makes him 95.
Yeah. 54.
Wait, that makes me older.
I'd be 54.
Yeah, he's 54, I'm 42, 12 years difference. That's not bad. Wait, I'm talking like we're dating or something. I'm just gonna cut that part out. But anyway, we're going outside of the city to this castle that's owned by the Bergen family. Now, they own a lot of property in Winnipeg. A lot of apartment buildings and high-rises and hotels. I think there are a few hotels. Basically, if you live in Winnipeg, they own any property that's under the Edison Rentals name. And there's a lot. There are a lot of Edison rental locations. Like, even if you don't live in Winnipeg, go on, open up a search engine and type in Edison Rentals, and you'll see a big, huge list of properties that this family owns. Now, I'm not surprised that they own a castle, because you know, it's a lot of money that they're pulling in from these places. So anyway, we're going there. We're gonna go and see that. Sorry for the bad lighting, but the sun is like right there, and it's kind of screwing up the shot. Is there anything you want to add to that?
Nope.
Okay, well, next time you see us, we will be at the castle. Shouldn't you be turning?
No, where the hell is it then?
You just passed the perimeter.
Oh, for Christ's sakes. Okay.
Oh, we're gonna have to do a wraparound, or whatever that term is. I don't know. But anyway, next time you see us, we'll be at
U-turn.
That's what it's called. I don't drive, so I don't know. Okay, so there's the castle. And Randy's head. He's always in my way. There's the castle there. So we can't drive in there?
Private property.
That is huge. Yeah, but we could like park somewhere and walk around it.
Okay.
Right?
Where do you want
Can't
to park?
we?
I'm for that, but where do you want to park?
I don't know. I mean, this is... it's hard to say. Where did my dad park? Oh, here's the graveyard. Park here.
Okay.
Are we even allowed to?
Probably not.
Oh well. It's not like anybody's gonna go in there. Everybody in there's dead, so they can't come out and get us. What is
Never heard of zombies?
1912 HGC?
A whiskey spoon. That's a zombie.
No, we can walk back. It's not that far.
No, just drive there.
Why? Oh, come on, man. No sense of adventure. So we're gonna find a spot to go to park, so we actually get out and get a better look at this place. I don't know.
Just park on the road.
I wonder if it's abandoned. If it's abandoned, we can go in. There's nothing illegal about that.
It's not abandoned. Pretty sure it's not abandoned.
Did you know that it is not illegal to go into an abandoned property?
Yeah, it is. If it's private property, it is.
No.
Yeah.
Not if it's abandoned. Or is that just in England? How about right there?
There's no place to park on the road here.
No. Oh, that's not... Oh, okay. Oh, great. We can't park there.
I guess not. Okay.
Park in the ditch. No one will notice. Oh man, I guess we failed at this then. We don't know what we're doing. What about here? This is a road. Okay, so we found a spot.
Okay.
The drone crapped out on me. Drone just totally crapped out on me. We're in front of this castle there. There's Randy, goofball. And the castle is, I'm trying to get the castle. Castle's in the back. And yeah, we can't really get close to it because it's private property, apparently. But it's really nice. Can you fold that up?
Sure.
And take the protectors off first.
Okay.
He doesn't know how to do it. This is funny. Oh crap. He does know how to do it.
Yep.
So here's Randy with the drone. Okay. Then you fold in the front ones first.
Okay. So that'll be these ones.
Yeah. Oh wait, why is it on? Okay. No. No. Okay. That. See, and then you just turn it like that.
Okay.
Oh wait, no. No, you turn these ones in first. That's it. And then fold that like that.
Right.
Right? So the blades are straight.
Okay.
Okay, now let's watch Randy do the other one.
Alright.
Like that. And then like that.
Alright. Oh yeah.
And there you go. See, and then these fold up really.
I'll put the drone in my pocket.
No, it's supposed to go in together.
Oh, okay.
See, like that.
Okay, there we go.
And then they fit in my pocket.
It's a neat little sucker. I like this.
No.
How much you pay for this sucker again?
$93 million. No, 93 bucks
Okay.
on the Geek app.
Okay.
It's a cheap little drone. It only has 8 minutes of battery, or 8-minute flight time, so not surprised that it crapped out. But at least we got some kind of footage of the field. Wow. Got footage of the field that we're in, and the castle's right there behind that thing there. What is that, like a shed or a barn or something? I don't know. Yeah, we could do that. Pictures? It's a vlog, man. We take video. Okay, so this is kind of a closer picture. I mean, I love the architecture on this. Like with the statues and everything. And then they got the guards on top. And the women. Let's see if we can brighten that up a bit. There we go. See? And then we got the statues outside. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful looking place. You know. It's too bad we can't go in there. I doubt it's abandoned. Check that out. Check that out right there. Right there. It could be a Chevy. How do you know? Have you ever seen a Pontiac?
Yeah.
When?
I've helped restore plastic cars. Well, do body work.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to get this so you can see it. There we go.
I'm not just another.
Sorry about the on-the-fly editing, but
I'm just another pretty face, you know.
No, you're not. You're not gay.
Yeah, I know.
At least not that I know of.
And bud, you know, okay, never mind.
What?
Never mind. I'm just.
4 girls, name them.
I can name 2 of them, but not the other 2.
Why?
Well, 2 I know, 2 I know, 2 I really don't know.
Uh-oh. Is that good or bad?
One knows me by face, one knows me by face and name.
And the other two?
The other two are my friends.
That's good. And you're gonna keep them as your friends. That's why you're not gonna say anything.
Right. One's single, the other one's taken. So, but no.
One's single?
And the other one's taken.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought they were both taken.
So.
Ah, interesting. The thought plickens. Shadow Man lives. Shadow Man lives. Dork. So here's the castle. Zoomed in.
Here's the
See
people.
if I can.
And there's all the people.
Very funny. So this is from the front view. I'm sorry that it's so bright. Holy crap, that was really bright. There. Just there. There we go. It's hard to get it because of the sun. But I got it. See?
Yeah, nice. Yeah, looks good.
Kind of. It's just that the sun is... See? And you gotta brighten it up a little just so that they can see detail. But yeah, I mean, this is a beautiful, beautiful castle, house, whatever you want to say. Whatever you want to call it.
I'd love to see the inside though.
So would I. I mean, seriously, if they let us in there to look around, that would be amazing.
There's no for sale signs around. If there was, we could get an appointment. Just go in.
1900. But we're not going to say what street it's on because we don't want a whole bunch of people raiding this place or whatever. It's windy. I gotta shut off. So there's a whole bunch of Canadian geese, or the Canada geese.
They're probably eating dog shit.
They're eating something. There's a lot of them. See if I can get their attention. Hello? Hello? They don't care. They're not afraid of people.
I know, they attack people.
Seriously, if you run over there, they won't run. Clap your hands, see if they respond to that. Oh, one of them. Oh. Wait, what? No. Yeah, see? They just look any other kind of birds and they'd be flying away.
Yeah.
They no fear whatsoever. But this is as close as I'm getting to them.
Go down south, you get blasted out of the sky by some crazy fucking American gun nut.
Yeah.
I shot him. I'd like to watch him explode.
Okay, now just to give you an idea of how far away from these I am. There you go. I am too scared to go anywhere close to these birdies. Ah! Yeah. But yeah. There's Canada geese. So we tried to get good footage with the drone of the castle, but obviously that didn't work because of the wind and everything. And also because the drone that I have only has 8 minutes of flight time. So I think I used up the whole 8 minutes trying to fly it around and getting video and stuff. I should have had the video camera going. I should have had it recording the whole time. But because I didn't get the full 8-minute videos. But anyway, yeah, you saw the footage because it's in there already. But anyway, so that failed, but it also shows you what kind of footage I can get with that. And it shows that I'm getting better at flying it too. I was trying to fly it into the wind and it's just slowly going. I really need to get a better drone, something that actually has stabilizers and can actually fly in the wind like that. I don't know. That's going to cost a lot of this stuff. So, but anyway, we ended up in where, East Kildonan?
You know what you can do here, don't you?
No. I'd rather do that with a girl.
No, not that, you stupid ass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rocket.
Yeah. I never even figured on
rocket fucking... in the field over here.
Yeah.
That would be perfect.
Yeah.
Because then there won't be any trees for it to get stuck in.
Yeah.
Yeah, with our luck, it'll get stuck in that.
No. We'll just go down the field.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely.
The wind is really calm right now, right?
Definitely. So, that would be perfect.
I could actually fly it right now.
And I could fly my drone around, too.
Yeah.
We should do that next time. Seriously. Come over here. It would be fun. Okay, so we got a plan for the next time Randy and I go somewhere. We're going to come here and to Kimberly Hill in East Kildonan, and we're going to shoot off the rocket over
Watch
here.
It land in a bunch of dog shit.
Yep. or maybe it'll piss off some Canadian geese. Who knows?
That'd be good.
That would be fun to watch, though. Fly my drone around them, see how they react. Ha! That would be fun. Okay, so anyway, I guess that's it for now. I don't know. I got a lot of editing to do, as usual. Especially when it involves the drone, because I got to figure out what kind of music to use and all that stuff. So, I don't know. It's gonna be fun. Back to the car.